get you. I don't actually know if this sounds like 360 audio or not. I'm gonna get you. This might not be working at all. Rah! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So, Bay Legionnaires, I'm RobbieB98, and welcome to a different kind of video. I am going to be doing two videos, the Holophonic, I think that's how you say it, horror, okay? I did one of these a while ago. Terrified me. Lost, I can't remember, I think it was the audio that messed, some part about it didn't work. Most of them, they have you blindfold yourself, so if they tell me to, I will. Actually, I probably will do it anyway. You know, because I want to be scared. So let's see. Pause. Let me have... I'm not going to turn the volume, because I'm not turning the volume all the way up. I'm not doing that. It's like half. That's already too much. I can't even hear myself. Okay. Now it's about half. I'm going to put on my blindfold, which, coincidentally, is from a TV show. Good TV show. Not going to tell you, because... Okay. I'm not going to tell you what show it is, because I want you guys to know. It's actually really easy to guess it. Oh, that's already really tight. Okay. I think this is how you're supposed to tie a tie. That's what actually this video is. It's a how to tie a tie instruction video for all you people out there. Just like that, see? And then you got the perfect tie on. There we go. Okay, I don't even know if I'm where to get. There it is. See, I can't see out of it. All this kind of hurts. Okay, and then, my beautiful hair. Crap.
Welcome to the seance. I'm Caroline,
Hi, Cara.
and I'm a medium and your guide.
Okay, she's Scottish.
Thank you for being brave enough to take part. In this seance, we're going to contact the spirit of a woman named Alice Brown.
Alice Brown.
Alice was strangled by her husband one fateful night in October 1911.
Move my mic.
We have various musical instruments here, and we're going to ask Alice.
Oh yeah, you're not allowed to move your head either.
By moving the objects.
Mm-hmm.
We have a tambourine, a shaker,
Okay, the tambourine freaked me out.
and a music box.
I'll admit I read some of the comments to make sure this was scary.
Then close your eyes.
They're closed.
And let the darkness enter your soul.
No.
Open your heart and mind to Alice.
No.
Alice, if you are there, move the objects.
I'm not letting her in. That's you, Caroline. I know it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Guys, I recommend you put headphones on. I'll link the videos. Oh, sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. Don't know the words because it's a Red Sox song and I don't like them. Why didn't I do this yesterday? I had a Christian shirt on. Ugh. Oh gosh. I'm oh, my wall. I'm so glad I have a wall behind me. But I'm sorry, I'm so scared.
I can feel Alice's spirit materializing behind you. Alice, come close.
Oh my gosh. No. No. Alice. 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 I'm not in Wonderland.
Alice,
Oh gosh.
speak to us.
I'm standing behind. Why do you sound like a dude? I'm standing right behind. I'm gonna punch you, dude.
If you heard the voice, then the spirit has found you and wants to join your life. We need to send the spirit away.
Okay. Shoot.
You ain't got Alice. You ain't got
I can tell.
You got me.
What is your name?
To banish the spirit, all you need to do is...
What? Is the video over? Oh, it's over. Oh, it's over. Oh no, I'm not gonna stare at the dot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh! Oh, my lights are really bright. Oh gosh. Hey guys, oh gosh. Oh, I can't even. Ugh. I don't know how I sounded because I was like this most of the time, and I'm very sorry. But like, I don't know if you can tell, but I am shaking. I'm shivering. My heart is racing. The whole reason I'm doing this is because one, I lost the footage from my last one, and I'm so glad there's a wall behind me. Because if I heard that creature say, "I'm right behind you," when I had my old setup, would have flipped out. But good thing I backed into the wall. But what was it? What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was looking for a horror game on Game Jolt. Couldn't find one that I wanted to play. I did record one actually, but my mic didn't record, so I figured this is easy. So we're gonna do one more. It's here. Let me. Hello, it's me, ASMR, darling. That's something Sean and I have been making jokes about for a while. Gosh, I'm so scared. I do not want to do this. Okay, let me do this. I wonder who that ghost was. ASMR, darling, and mic audio a little up because I turned it down and I ran it over. So sorry about that. Am I in shot? I think I'm in shot. Okay. The next one and last one. Wait, does it say anything? Use phonos de uvudu. Is that it? Oh my gosh. It's the other ghost again. Oh, I gotta turn this down. I'm so sorry how loud this is. Okay, for the video, I'm turning this down because you guys will not be able to hear me. 720p, 430 FPS, okay. Oh. Is that me breathing? I can do it too. This one isn't as scary. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Why is the heartbeat? Because in horror games, like, the heartbeat gets faster when the monster gets closer. That's what I'm imagining. I'm turning down the volume. It's hurting my ears. Oh gosh. What? I didn't hear you, I'm sorry. Can you fix your chair? It's very squeaky. Mine's probably squeaky, but not that squeaky. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to talk through this and not be scared, and it's working. I am so brave, I'm not even scared right now. Ain't nothing gonna get me down. You don't bring it. La, 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 la. Okay. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. Doctor Who reference for the win. My eyes are hurting because I did this really tight. This one isn't scary. Like, as scary. Like, I can just relax. Shouldn't be. They're just putting too much into it. Okay. Never mind, it's kind of scary. I think what's throwing me out of it is the rain. Because I know it's not raining. I'm pointing over there because that's where my window is. Alice? Is that you with the music box? I shouldn't be moving because you're not supposed to. heartbeat's a good beat. Yeah, you gotta catch our streams. It's my rapping streams. I say that because we rapped on Twitch yesterday. I'm like trying to look at the camera, but I don't know where it is. So you guys, right there. I think it's there. I've done this enough to know where it should be. Am I? Does that mean the video's over? Oh my gosh, that blinded. Oh my gosh. Very creepy phone call. I almost did one that was 16 minutes long. 16 minutes long. If you've never... Okay, I want to do one more now. But if you've never done like one of the holophone... One of the... Oh my gosh. What is this? I'm just gonna do this, okay? Because I don't know why. I really want to do it. I didn't even mean... I thought it was 3D audio. This is cool.
Hey, are you on your
Wish I
way?
had a headset. Tripod without anything.
Okay, just come right in. I'm just gonna run upstairs and get changed really quick, and I'm gonna leave the door unlocked. So, just feel free to come in. All right?
Okay, but
All right. See ya. Bye.
I mean that's stupid. But you gonna pick up those chips? Can I have some of those chips? Also, why is the quality so low? Oh, what the heck? Stop it.
Front door.
Oh, hi. Hi, friend. That's my wave. You want some chips? I got some chips.
I'll be right down.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is scary too. Not as scary, because I know I'm not in it. Hey, you want some chips?
Oh my God, you got here so quick.
I know.
I thought you were gonna be a little bit longer. Where are you?
Grab a gun.
Caitlin?
Hey, grab a gun.
Hello?
Grab a gun. I'm over there. Well, it's not me, but don't worry, I got you. Got you. I'm gonna have to move my webcam because I was just gonna put my webcam, like, oh come on, don't go past me. I was gonna karate chop.
Oh, okay, because I could have sworn I just heard my door alarm go off.
Behind
Alright,
you.
Well, I must be hearing things. Alright, I'll just see if...
Janessa, behind
Alright.
you.
Okay, bye.
Janessa! Oh, it's a good thing she didn't pick up those chips. I'm just gonna... I'll look away, sir. I'm not a part of this. I am actually making some tea. Oops, and I double clicked out. I'm making some tea, okay? Are you thirsty? Oh, I shouldn't have said that pun. Oh, he's gonna kill me because of that pun. His one weakness is to stand very still.
Front
I'm here.
door.
Just stand still.
Hello?
Her name's Janessa, not Diana.
Oh my God!
Oh, that was like a awesome slide.
Diana?
Don't worry, I got you. Come on.
Oh my God, she's not breathing. Shit, I have to call 911.
Oh, he's got a knife. He's got a knife. He's got a knife. I'm gonna deck him. I'm gonna deck him. I'm gonna deck him. Ready?
No, please. Hi, yes. Oh my God.
Pow! Was that? That was weird. I didn't actually plan on doing that at all. Like that was just something I saw. I thought it was another 3D audio thing, but it wasn't. So yeah. Thanks for watching, I guess. I recommend if you have headphones, which you should. Everyone should, probably. Everyone does. You go ahead and, for some reason I'm tying a tie, you go ahead and watch some of these 360 horror things. They've also got, like, barber shops and stuff. Ooh, perfect. There we go. See, told you how to tie a tie. Just like this. That's how you tie it. Or at least in, in the professional world. But yeah, they have a bunch of they have like horror. All you have to look up is holophonic horror. Oh, man, this is the one I almost decided not to. But then they've got haircuts. All of these are scary though. Oh gosh. All of them are scary. Even the barbershop, cause like he comes in and he's like, okay, I'm just gonna trim around your ear, and then it's like, freaked out. Yeah. So if you want us to do more of these, like if you want Sean to do one, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. I might do another because I see some I want to try, but I don't want to try. But yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you're ever inviting a friend over to your house, one, make sure you spill chips. We learned that today. She still died, but she didn't. She had a chance. And also, don't leave your door unlocked, no matter what. Yeah, and own a gun for your protection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Valet Legionnaires. Bye.